Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. Over the years, I've worked with families, business owners, contractors, students, and people trying to rebuild after difficult seasons. And one thing I've learned is that many people are carrying burdens that aren't entirely their fault. Not because they didn't care, not because they aren't trying, but because nobody ever taught them how the system works. Nobody taught them credit. Nobody taught them collections. No one taught them business systems. And nobody taught them contractor readiness. And nobody taught them how money actually moves through everyday life. Yet people are often told to do better without ever being shown how. That's why Jomar Community exists. We believe practical financial education should arrive before the crisis, not after. We believe people deserve clear information, plain language, and tools they can actually use. Because you are not behind. You may have been undertaught, but but when people understand the system, they make better decisions, build stronger futures, and help strengthen the communities around them. This isn't just education, it's a movement. And we love for you to be a part of it. Thank you. Be blessed.